Today we will understand the basic features of Power BI and what are different kind of views and different data sources we can use in Power BI. So let's see that. So this is a software. We call it as Power BI Desktop, which is used to create different kind of dashboards or reports in Power BI, we can say. So here is get data tab, and we can get different kind of data, and basically n number of data we can fetch here, like Excel, text, XML, JSON, and other kind of things like SQL Server, Oracle, and others. So these are different kind of these data sources available, and we can connect to that. So what I have done here, I have imported this Excel data sheet. So this data sheet we can see here in the data view or table view, we can say. So basically the first one is your visuals view or visualization or report view. Second one is table view or data view, we can say. Here we can see all the data and all the tables. The third one is our model view. So model view, we can say all our tables and basically the relationship between those tables, how these are connected. So this is currently not connected, but we can create a connection by seeing this row label. If you see this row label, this is basically a market, we can say. So we can rename these columns market or region, we can say. So this grand total is not there. This is we can remove this from transform data. So we can transform the data from here. This is basically used to clean your data. So this is your sheet 2, and this also we can rename it with region. So what we need to do, this is the extra row. Actually this total is coming as a row here, so we can remove this one. So we will remove that row, remove from bottom, the first row from bottom. So now it's fine, and all the steps which we apply on transforming data, those all steps will be recorded here, means renaming columns. So we have renamed this column market. So if we go one step above, so you can see it was row labels, and after that it is renamed to market, and after that we have removed this bottom row. So like this we can see all the steps one by one, and after that we can close and apply. So if you want to save our changes, then close and apply, and if you don't want to save any changes, then close. So we can select it accordingly. So now we will go to our model view, and here we will create a relationship. So relationship is basically from this market to this market. So we can manage one relationship here, manage relationships, new relationship. From table we can say sales, and here sales which column, that is market, this one. To table region, and here market, and it will be many to one because this has many data and this has one single row for each market. So this will be many to one. So we can close it. We can see now our relationship is created here. So this is the basic feature, means we can create our models here, means star schema, snowflake schema, or any other relationships we can see here. So these are different kind of visuals, we can say. This is bar chart, column chart, and this is again a clustered bar chart, clustered column chart, like this area, line chart, area chart, and this one is stacked area chart again. So these are different kind of visuals, we can say, funnel and scatter charts, like this. So these all are used based on their different we can create different views, or we can use those to filter our data, to show our data actually. So we can use one this bar chart here, and in this bar chart we will basically fill some data. and the data will be subcategory in y-axis, and x-axis will have sales data, we can say total sales. So this is what we have done. So we can do some changes as well, like updating the title and the title of x-axis, y-axis, and these color bars, change the color of these bars and other things. So what we can, how we can do this, let's see this one. So this is basically subcategory, it is written here. We can mark it as category as well, or we can do these changes here as well, means by selecting this visual, go to this formatting tab, and now we can go to y-axis. So y-axis, the title is here and this is auto, so we can update it like category. So category is here now. We can see here this is category, and we can change the font size and other things, like font size is 14, bold, and change the color. So we can make it as blue. Now the changes are happening here. Now same thing we will do for x-axis as well. So we go to x-axis now. This one is x-axis. This is for title. Title is sum of sales. We can say sales or total sales, we can say. So after this we can change the font size as well, like keep it 14, bold it, and change the color. So now both are looking similar now, means with the same formatting. So this is for x-axis and y-axis titles. Now we can change, update these grid lines as well, means grid lines we can see here. So grid line color is gray. We can keep it dark so that you can see how the grid lines is looking. So these are the grid lines basically. So this is the line style, this is dotted, dashed, solid, like this we can do. So we can remove these grid lines as well from here. One zoom slider is also provided, like to zoom the values, means how much we want to zoom it. So this is how we can use this one. And after this we can go to bars to change the color of bars. We can change here for all the options, like we can select all here and change the color. So color will be changed for all the bars, like this one. So here you can see color is changing. We can select any of the color, and if you want different colors in different bars, that also you can do. Like bookcases, we can select another one like this one. You can see here for this single one only the color is changed. For other bars we can say fonts, we can again change the color. You can see here for this fonts only the color is changed. So this is how we can define it. We can give border as well to a single bar, means for this area only we can define the border. You can see here how we can define it. So for border we can give red, width we can maximize it little bit so that you can see, means how the border is coming. So you can see here this border is showing here. If we little bit increase the size, then you can understand it. So this is how you can see. So we can minimize this one, and then let's go to this next one. So ribbons are here. So ribbons, it will create a ribbon between all the bars. So this is how you will look like. This is the transparency. You can see here, means how much transparent the ribbon should be. 100% transparent means you cannot see ribbon. This is pure solid. So this is for data labels actually. If we keep it on, then you can see the data here. And for data labels again, you can do all these formattings. like values. You can change the color to red, bold it, increase the size, change the font style. All these things you can do. Background also you can select here. This background is for data labels only. So you can see here, if we change the background color, then you can see it clearly, like this one. Or we can change some dark color so that you can see it. Transparency is high, that's why you are not able to see. We can see here now. So this is how this data labels background is working here. So if we go to some other formatting as well, like this, go to general properties, you can see means height and width of this complete chart, position, padding, this title. This is very important because every time we use it, we format this title. So this will be, we can say, sales by category. Bold it, size is fine. We can change the background color to red, and this one we can keep it white, and keep the center in keep the text in center. So this is how a title is changed. There are other effects as well, means background. So background also we can give some color for whole chart. Border also we can identify here. So this will give a border on this area, total area we can say, like this. So there are n number of options available here that we can use to update it or format it, we can say. This is plot area background. This also we can use. So here we can actually apply some picture in the background. So that also we can see here. Means I have some background image. Let's use that. So this is applied, but this is not correctly applied. So we will change this image fit option to fit or fill. This is basically fill here, and this is fit. So it is basically stretching the image, the background image, and this is for the transparency. We can keep it, means how much transparent we can keep the background. So I think we have understood most of the options in this bar chart. Now we can go to our next one, that is column chart, and we can see here. So here we will give subcategory in x-axis and sales in y-axis. Here we can see a name stacked is added here in both of the charts. So stacked means we can add some more data on top of this bar chart or this bar. That we can do, like we can add other data like this profit we can add here. So you can see here this is stacked here. We can do other data as well, like shipping cost we can add here, and it will be in a serial way. Means first it will be sum of sales here, and after that sum of profit, this blue section, and after that this is shipping cost. This is on the third one, on the top one we can say. And once this is done, we can do some formatting as well. So for that we go to format tab. We can change the formatting for x-axis, like values, title and all. And after that we can go to y-axis again, and we can change all the things which I have done for this previous bar chart. You can use this here and see. We can use legends as well. So legends, you can see this was the legends, this one. We can do some formatting for legends as well, means where you want to keep it, top center, top left, top right, top left is tagged. You can see here is tagged will be 1 by 1, means this one. So this is top left is tagged, this will be in right side is tagged. So like that we have different kind of options. So here is text will come before this one, means here this place. Sorry, this one will be formatting for these legend text. So you can see here, and the thing which I told you that text will come here this side, this will be title basically, means legends, we can say like this one. So we can keep it off. This is again grid lines, means these grid lines it will show. So you can change the color, you can change the line style as well, means solid, dotted, dashed, like that. Again this is for columns, so column colors you can change, means this is this color you can change, means for sum of sales you want to update this color to red, we can say. So this is here. This is border also you can apply. You can see here this is this border is for this because you have selected sum of sales, that's why it is applied in this sum of sales only. If you select all, then in all these options border will be applied. So we can keep it off, this border section. It is disappeared now. And after this you can go to ribbons and see those ribbons you can see here. And data labels, again I told you these are the data labels, so like that you can see on this top of this bar columns. If you want to see, you can just keep it on, you can see the data labels. You can change the background as well, means you can apply some image. So this is again image fit type is normal here, you can keep it fit, so it will stress that image. So these are all are the changes, like title, effects also you can change the background here, means it will be color. So this will be for all that, means apart from image as well, this will be color. This is for border, so this will be complete border for whole this visual. So these are all the cosmetic changes, means all the formatting you can do for these both of the charts, like bar chart and column chart, and these both are stacked, you can say. So this one is not created as stacked, but this one is, we have seen it as a stacked one. So you can apply these changes to your report as well and create based on your requirements. And if you like this video, then you can go to this channel Power BI Guru and you can like this, comment and subscribe this one. Thank you.